Hello, welcome to our English class 10th, first flight, chapter number 9. Madam rides the bus. Madam rides the bus. Valikannam in Tamil, translated by K.S. Sundaram. Today I am going to explain its summary in short this chapter, and you have to read the chapter in detail at home from your book and learn the word meanings. And its summary is: this is a very simple story of an 18-year-old girl named Valyammai. She is called Vali for short. This is the story of an 8-year-old girl. Her name is Valyammai. Her short name is Vali, that is called nickname. Her nickname is Vali. There is no playmate of her age on her street. She has no friends or playmate of her age. She is alone, so she spends most of her time standing at the front door of her house. So she is idle and she stands at the front door of her house. She spends her most of time by standing at the front door of her house. She keeps watching the things happening outside. What is happening outside in the street? She keeps watching there. The most fascinating thing, the most attractive thing for Vali is a bus. Only there is a bus which is the most attraction for her. That travels from her village to the nearest town. That bus travels from her village to the nearest town. It passes through her street every hour. Every hour, this bus passes through her street. A strong desire fills Vali's mind. There is one strong desire that is filled in her mind. She wants to ride on that bus. What is the desire? Desire is to ride on that bus. Even if it is just once. Even if it is just for once, she wants to ride on that bus. She gathers all the facts she can about the bus. About the bus, what is its timings, arrival and timing of arrival and departure, where this bus goes and where it stops, everything. Who is the driver, conductor, what is the fare of this bus? She gathers all the details about this bus. She learns that the bus takes 45 minutes to reach the town. The fare is 30 paise. How much? The fare, uska kiraya. The fare is 30 paise one way. Valli keeps making her plans for many days and months. Valli keeps making her plans. What plan? Her plans to ride the bus, to travel by the bus for many days and months. उसके मन में बस से यात्रा करने की कई दिनों और महीनों से इच्छा पनप रही थी. She saves every coin that times her way. She saves every coin. She saves money for traveling in that bus. She overcomes all her temptation to buy toys. She overcomes or she controls all her temptations to buy toys. She overcomes her desire. She is having a desire to buy toys because she is only 8-year-old girl, and she must be fond of toys, balloons and peppermints. All these things she does not expend her money on all these things, toys, balloons and peppermints. She saves because she wants to travel by bus one day. During a village fair, she stifles her desire to ride the merry-go-round. In the village, there is one fair, and she also press this desire. Which desire? Desire to ride the merry-go-round. Because if she rides the merry-go-round, she would have to spend money on that also. In all, she wanted to save money for that only one purpose. Which purpose? The purpose of riding the bus. That's why she also avoids village fair and the merry-go-round. At last, one fine spring day, Valli boards the afternoon bus. What happens? At the end. Which end? At the end of fine spring day, Valli boards the afternoon bus. Valli gets into the afternoon bus. She is all alone. Only she is there in the bus. Luckily, the conductor is a kind and jovial fellow. Jovial means कहना चाहिए कि हंसमुख स्वभाव वाला व्यक्ति, jovial, and he is also kind person. He tries to help the little girl get on to the bus, और वो उसकी मदद करता है उस बस में चढ़ाने में उस बच्ची की. But Valli refuses to be treated like a child. But Valli does not accept the treatment of that conductor as like he is treating as if she is a girl. She says that she is 8 years old and can take care of herself. She can take care of herself because she is 8 years old girl. 8 years is not less age according to her. So she can look after or take care of herself. In jest, the conductor refers to her as madam all through the journey. In this, मतलब इस तरह से कंडक्टर क्या ह्यूमरसली या इन अ जेस्ट वे, इन हास्यास्पद वे में, मतलब मजाकिया ढंग से उसको पूरे रास्ते क्या करता है, मैडम बोलता है. जैसे बड़ी लेडीज को मैडम बोलते हैं हम, इन द सेम वे द कंडक्टर रेफर्स to her as madam all through the journey. The lower part of the window has a blind. The lower part of the window has a blind. There is a curtain in the lower part of the window. So Valli stands up on her seat to have a look at the outside view. So she stands from her seat to look outside, to look at the outside view. She looks at each and every object. What she looks? She looks at each and every object, because this was the very first journey of her life. Okay, so she is curious to observe everything that comes in the way of traveling with great interest. On one side there is a canal. There is a canal on one side. Beyond the canal there are palm trees. On the कैनॉल के नहर के किनारे palm trees हैं, grassland, distant mountains and the blue sky. These very beautiful aspects of the nature she is admiring by looking outside the window. On the other side there is a deep ditch. On the other side, what is there? There is a deep ditch. Ditch means gadha, khai, gehri khai. Beyond it, there are fields as far as the eye can see. There are fields, only and only fields are spreading. The place or the point of that place, till that our eyes go. हमारी नज़रें जहाँ तक जाती हैं, हमारी आँखें जहाँ तक देख सकती हैं, वहाँ तक खेत ही खेत बिखरे हुए थे. An elderly man calls out to her saying, an elderly man calls out to her saying, sit down, child. Wali says that she is not a child. She is annoyed with this comment of that old man, because he is referring her to be a child. So she is not agree with his comment. She says that she is not a child and that she has paid her fare of 30 पैसे. Okay, वो बच्ची नहीं है और उसने 30 पैसे इसके दिए जर्नी के. और how can you ask me to sit down? Suddenly, a young cow comes and starts running fast in front of the bus. What happens? Suddenly, a young cow comes and starts running fast in front of the bus. It has its tail high in the air. For Wali, it is a very funny sight, very interesting sight for her, and she claps her hands in joy. She is enjoying the scene in which a cow is running in front of the bus, and bus is also running in behind that cow, and she is enjoying by clapping her hands. And at last the cow moves off the road. The bus reaches the town and all the passengers get down the bus. Bus reaches the town, then all the passengers get down. Wali remains sitting inside the bus for her return journey. Now she wants to return to her home, because only she wanted to travel in the bus. Only her main and last purpose was journey by bus only. That's why she wanted to return from the last station to her home by the same bus. She has only 30 paise left with her for the fare. Now she has only 30 paise. 30 paise she paid for one side, and 30 paise I think she will have to pay for the next side. The conductor offers to buy for her a drink, but she refuses. She waits until it is time for the bus to begin the return journey. She is keenly waiting for the bus to return journey. The bus starts and again there are the same wonderful sights. Again the same, what sights? Sights in which there are palm trees, canal, grassland, distant mountains and blue skies, and uh, fields, green fields. These the same sight, that is wonderful sight. Valli is not bored in the least, but suddenly she sees a young cow dead by the roadside. But what she sees, that young cow which was running before the bus, in front of the bus, when she was coming in first round, the same cow now it is dead. It is the same animal she had seen on her journey to the town. It is a horrible sight. It is a very horrible sight. That cow, sometimes ago it was alive, but now it is dead. That's why the sight has become horrible. Valli's enthusiasm is all gone now. After watching that dead cow, what happened? Valli's enthusiasm means जोश, और जो इंटरेस्ट उसका था वो अब जा चुका था. She no longer wants to look out of the window. Now she does not want to look out of the window. अब वो विंडो से बाहर और नहीं देखना चाहती थी, क्योंकि that sight has made her mind upset. She remains glued to her seat. अब वो बिल्कुल एकदम अपनी सीट के चिपकी हुई दिखी. The bus reaches Valli's village. Valli goes running straight to her home. She finds her mother talking to one of her aunts. It is clear from their conversation that they have no knowledge of Valli's excursion to the town. ये जब वो पहुंचती है अपनी मदर के घर पे, मदर के पास, तो वो अपनी बहनों से, यानी कि वल्ली की मौसियों से बात करती हुई देखी जाती है, और उनकी बातचीत से ही बिल्कुल साफ जाहिर होता है कि उन्हें वल्ली के शहर जाने के बारे में कोई पता ही नहीं है. Now you can read this chapter in detail. This is very interesting story, and I learn its word meaning. I will send its question answers in the next time. Till that, you may read this chapter word by word, line by line, thoroughly. Okay, stay home, stay safe.